Hi my Donnas, welcome back to another video. Today actually I want to go over something with you. um so a few months ago, it's like 2 months ago, I think. Yeah, I don't remember exact date, but I think it was in March. We're in June. Yeah, it was in March. I reached out to someone, and because I wanted, as I told you guys, I wanted to, to do some traveling, some adventures. It's always my dream when I was living in Jamaica, and even when I couldn't find dinner, me used to think that I want to be able to travel the world. I am from Jamaica. I am born and raised in Jamaica, but now I'm living in the US. And my goal is, I work very hard. I've been working so hard ever since I was a child, you know, if you know my history, but I not everybody's gonna know. But I just want to share this with you. I used to, when I couldn't even find food for my 4 children, I used to say, God, when I used to see it on TV, different country, different places, I used to say to myself, God, when I grow up, I want to be able to travel. And I remember it so clearly in my heart how much I wanted to travel. And my first place I wanted to go was Cayman Island. I used to say that I wanted to go to Cayman, one, because I wanted to go there to work because the dollars was stronger. That was also something, even if I could go there to work for 6 months and I could able to send back money for my family, and when they change it out, it would be a lot of money. I remember saying that, right? But not just that, I want to be able to go on vacation and so forth. So what I did was, when I come to the US, I was thinking about it, and I did sign up for one that I thought would have, helped me to get cheaper travel, but that one didn't work out. Um, so I decided to end it because I have a monthly membership, and I didn't want to pay monthly for a membership. So I decided to close that one. Anyways, as I said, I reached out to someone because I heard that they have a travel membership. One of, the person that was actually in the first company that I know have the membership. So when I spoke to them and they told me about this membership, it was seems very, very um, much better because it's a yearly membership. So I decided to purchase the membership after hearing the benefits from it. And then when I asked them if they have an affiliate program and they told me yes, I said, ask about the affiliate program, and I signed up with the affiliate program as well. Both of them cost me $200 at that time. I know I have a few friends that I would want to get the membership, and even my children. So what I did was I recommended right away to my children, and they all signed up. And then, I didn't realize that I was gonna earn a vacation stay by them being a member. So they signed up and they got the membership. When they sign up, they get the complimentary cruise that they just have to pay the taxes. I got mine, but then I got a free vacation stay after my first 3 signed up in my first 7 days. And I'm like, when I get the email, I didn't realize that because the person I talked to, maybe they have said that, but I didn't heard it, through that. So I get them to sign up. I spoke to my kids about it and they signed up for the membership, and then I get that free vacation stay. I just have to pay the taxes. So when I went to Cancun, and that was from the affiliate program, when I was ready to book my ticket was 220 something dollars. But at that time, I wasn't able to book the ticket because Gracie would have to get clearance from her job. So I didn't get to get the ticket for $25. I saw the ticket going to Cancun for, but I didn't have to purchase the ticket on my own. But the vacation stay that I get, I only did have to pay the taxes, and the taxes was 70 something dollars. I thought I was gonna pay some money when I get there. I did not. I pay $18, and but that was for cleaning service, and so that was good. So I only pay like what $88. So my friend Gracie took care of the $18 for me. She paid them up front, and that was that. But the affiliate program, when you have it, you will be able to earn money from that, like every person that signed up. So just since I got it, and I wasn't focusing on the affiliate program that much, as you can see, I post every now and then on my page. But what inspired me, like every person that you signed up, this is how it works. Every person that you signed up, you earn a benefit from that. And when and another benefit go towards a pool, and you get that pool money once you make it to the pools. You get that pool money once every month if you make it to the pools. So once you signed up as a member for $100, if you want to be an affiliate, is another $100, and you earn money. You earn money from each person that signed up. But I'm not even talking much about it. I will reach out to one and two people here and there in my WhatsApp messages. And right now, I have almost 20 people signed up to be a member. So it is very, I mean, the fact that they are getting the complimentary cruise the first day that they signed up, but today it end. And tonight they have a meeting, so I might do another video. It ends today. So tonight they have another video that they are going to discuss what the next benefit of you signing up. So you won't be getting any cruise. So anybody who signed up today will get it, but 8 p.m. tonight it's going to cut off, so you won't be able to get the complimentary cruise anymore. But there is something that they're going to give you in regard to replace that. And I believe that this is what I believe pertaining to why they're changing the cruise. There are people that in the island, even Jamaica, they don't have a visa and they won't be able to travel. So if they get a cruise, they don't have a visa to go on the cruise. Because I know people in Jamaica that would want to be a part of this, but they're telling me that they're not the cruise is not going to be beneficial to them because they don't have a visa. And if they're going to get, they need to go on a cruise that is going to the Bahamas. But once you sign up and become a member, right away you get that membership link that you signed in as a VIP, and you get that complimentary cruise that I was telling you about. They're going to change it, but I'm going to do another video pertaining to that, what you get after you sign up, and you could use it basically right away. You have it's not like you're going to book these things on your own. You have people who you contact as a travel agent who help you to book your vacation stay, because I didn't book my vacation stay myself. When I went to Cancun, they book it for me. So they sent you a telephone number to reach out, and I was very much protected. I did spend $35 extra on my trip as a insurance, just to make sure I was insured, because you just never know what would happen. So I decided to spend that extra $35 towards me, the hotel booking and protection for me. You know, and they give me a whole list of stuff just in case luggage missing, that, you know. So it was very professional. I did not have any problem booking my vacation stay to going to Cancun, and I can testify to that. I have experienced it, because when people were asking me about it before, I could not explain, because I've never, you know, they always said you want to taste the pudding so you can explain. The size of the pudding is in the eating, and the taste of the pudding is in the eating. So I wanted to go on a quick vacation using this membership to see how it works. If I'm gonna have issue booking my vacation stay, I can gladly say I'm not the kind of person who's going to come out and say things. I'm a straight shooter. I'm a straight person who like to speak how I feel and speak my truth. I am not going to sell anybody no bull that I don't want. So when I realized that I wanted to make a quick vacation stay and go on this trip, so I could, like, if I'm selling something to somebody, I know what it is like. I did not have any problem booking my vacation stay. They sent me a certification with a code after I redeem my vacation stay, and they sent me a phone number to call to book my vacation stay, and everything went so smoothly. They gave me everything to print out in my email, and I could work with this. I never print out anything, I just screenshot it. Nobody asked me for anything. When I go there, they just ask me for my name, my passport, and they just sign me in, and that's it. I did not have any issues whatsoever. I was looking to see, because I'm like, this is too good to be true. You know, what problem? It's like I was looking to find a problem, but there was none. There was none exist. Everything went so flawless with my vacation, and I must say I enjoy my membership going there, and I'm about to book in my next travel with this membership right now. So wanna stay tuned, because me tell you, I want to go places that I've never been before, and I'm going back to Cancun. Okay, so I'm planning my next vacation to Cancun next year, but this time I really want my husband to go. This year he could not go. But the next one I really want to plan that with him. This is an experience that I really want him to have. So yeah, I'm looking forward to go back, because I mean, I have teary eyes when I was leaving. I didn't tell my friend Gracie, but when I wake up 4 a.m. in the morning, I was very sad. It's like I was in this bubble and I did not ready to leave. So, and that's just the honest truth. Listen, man, I like to speak my truth, because if I lie, you're going to catch up on me, because I'm not going to remember. I want to tell you how I feel and express how I feel in the way it should be. And that's it, guys. If you need any assistance, if you have any question pertaining to the membership, please let me know, because everybody who travel at least twice or even once per year, if you're in Jamaica or you're in any island, and that it's open up to, because it's not open up to every island, but I know it's open up in Jamaica. So say for instance that you're in Jamaica and you spend $100 for this membership. Remember, it's once per year. You spend $100 for it, right? Next year when you renew it, it's just like I spend $120 for Costco membership. Every year I spend $120 to Costco membership to go there and to spend my money. But this is different. When you spend your membership here, you get a complimentary cruise. Even though the cruise is going to be end today, but they're giving you something else. And I'm not sure yet, so I don't want to talk about it. But if it's a hotel stay, it's worth it. So you just have to pay the taxes though, because when they're giving you these things, they're giving you, but you have to pay taxes. Just like we stay into that lovely hotel in Cancun, and I pay $70. Hotel taxes is not expensive, so it's reasonable. Last year I went to Bahamas, and my taxes was $200 and something for the place that I stay. And believe me, that place was a lot of money per night. It's like $300 and something per night. And then they charge me for that. Separately, they charge me for the taxes. So I'm just explaining what that is. So next year when you renew your membership, you're going to get a 7-night all-inclusive. So if you want to go to Dubai and you're thinking about the flight and the hotel, the only thing you have to worry about is the little chuppans that you're going to pay for the taxes. So you could go plan your next trip next year, Dubai. If you signed up to be a member today, you could plan your next trip to go to Dubai, and that renewal next year hotel will give you that Dubai stay. You just gotta pay the little punch for the tax, the little much for the taxes. You get what I mean? So even if it's one time per year you travel, every year when you renew your membership, you can plan your vacation for that to stay someplace. If you're not just going, and even if you're going to Jamaica, Anywhere you're going in the world, you have that 7 night to stay somewhere comfortable and nice as an all-inclusive. Even if you don't want the all-inclusive, it doesn't matter. You got somewhere to stay in a different country where you want to go. So even if you only travel once per year, that $100 per year membership, it's worth it. I believe, in my knowledge, it's worth it. So when you just signed up, you're going to get something. I don't know what it's going to be after today, but I will let you know. But guys, if you are travel any at all and you want a vacation place to stay, a all-inclusive, one of those nice lovely resort, you should get this membership. Because if you only travel once per year, next year that $100 will definitely take you to a country to stay someplace nice, because it's an all-inclusive next year. So don't miss out on that. Okay, so that's it for today. And if you have any question, please feel free, my tongue heavy, to reach out to me. Okay, adios guys, love you, bye.